Are you looking for a secure and flexible way to browse the web? With OffiDocs, you can access the Chrome browser remotely and enjoy anonymous browsing, all without downloading or installing anything. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. First, head over to the OffiDocs website and navigate to the Chromium browser section. Once there, simply click on the Launch button. Within seconds, a fully functional Chrome browser opens right in your web browser. No downloads, no installations, just instant access. What makes OffiDocs truly stand out is the ability to use Chrome remotely. This means you can open the browser from any device, whether it's your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. It's perfect for staying productive on the go. Now, let's talk about privacy. OffiDocs ensures your browsing is completely anonymous. Your IP address stays hidden, and no data is stored on your local device. It's an ideal solution for anyone who values online privacy, especially when using public Wi-Fi. Despite being cloud-based, the OffiDocs Chrome browser offers all the features you love: extensions, bookmarks, and even developer tools. It's like having Chrome on your desktop, but with the added benefits of remote access and enhanced security. Ready to try it for yourself? Visit OffiDocs and experience the convenience of remote, anonymous browsing with Chrome. Stay secure, stay flexible, and browse without limits.